Yeah, so I actually just got myself the Ledger Nano S Plus, so we are going to like unbox it today and see what's inside. And in the video I'll show you how to actually set it up and to actually start buying and selling and receiving cryptos for your to your ledger. So right now this Ledger Nano S, you can only like receive only 3 cryptos, like install only 3 cryptos on it. But before I actually go further, let's see what's inside the box. So when you first open it, you get something like this. Basically I've opened it before, removed all the wrappers and shit like that. So now what I get is just this black box that whenever you open it, you get your Ledger Nano S and your secret recovery phrase shit, where you pull your recovery phrase and everything. Right now we have only we have 3 inside, so I'll show you how to use this one later in the video and see how to actually use it. But right now we have 3 recovery sheet where you could just put your recovery alphabets and numbers inside. So whenever we are installing it, I'll let you know, I'll show you when to use it. And this is our Ledger Nano S. I got the one with ice, the transparent one that looks like they call it ice on the website, so it's just the transparent one because it looks more techy and more beautiful like this. So yeah, whenever you open it and go further, we have these instruction manuals that actually show you how to get started, the care and regulatory statements and everything. You actually you get stickers also, free stickers. And yeah, so I'll show you how to install and set up everything. So going further down, we get this is the cable we actually use to install it. We connect it to the computer where we install and get started with it. So this is our cable. That's like a USB-C type stuff. So yeah, and I think I actually this for our key holder, where we could just argue and put around our keys. I don't think I'll actually use this one anyway, to be honest. I'll just maybe use it for my keys or something, but I won't use it with the Ledger, because the Ledger is not something I'll be carrying around and showing around every time. It's only when I need to use it I'll bring it out. So yeah, this one will actually go somewhere else where I won't actually use it. So basically what we are actually needing in this video is just this cable. The manuals can go this our ledger and cable, and the recovery sheet where we put our recovery phrases inside. These are the 3 things I will need. Yeah, so welcome back. According to the manual, it tells us to go to ledger.com/start on my PC, so which I will do right now on my PC to download the and open the Ledger Live app. So do that now. I'll show you how everything goes. Ledger.com/start. That's where you download the Ledger Live app to connect this Ledger to your PC. So yeah, you can see on the screen download for Windows. Then finish. So I click on this run Ledger Live and finish. So it opens the Ledger Live for me. So this is how it looks right now, just the plain Ledger Live application. So yeah, we just click on get started. If you don't have the Ledger Nano S, so click on this one to buy the Ledger Nano X. But right now I'm using the Ledger Nano S for sale. So yeah, click on get started. I'm using Ledger Nano S Plus, so click on select. First time using your Nano, you just set up a new one. So access your crypto, or this one is just basically telling you what you can do with the Ledger Nano S Plus. So on your private keys, this is the reason why I actually got my Ledger device. So Ledger is basically like an hot wallet that helps you that keeps your private key and your public key together. But with code wallets like Coinbase, Binance, you don't have the access to private keys. So if anything actually happened to Binance right now, in case maybe they go bankrupt, or your cryptos too will go, in case you remember what happened to FTX, FTX ran down and people were not able to get access to their own funds again. So this is what Ledger is used for, to keep your own private keys in case, so it doesn't get lost and you don't lose access to all your cryptos. Stay offline, doesn't work. It doesn't. Okay. Validate transactions. Let's do this. Best way plan. Yeah, I already have my pen with me. Plan doesn't mean I stay long and it's safe. Okay, I'm ready. So to turn on my Nano, I need to like connect it to my PC. Which I will do in so flip it open. Yep, we are in. So turn on your Nano, browse, click on next step, choose my pin code, set up pin code. Done that, use button navigate. It's telling you what we can do with the buttons. Left to go back, and right to move forward. Basically, yeah. Press both buttons to select. Hold both buttons anytime to access settings and more. Start Ledger Live app. Set up as a new device. Start Ledger Live app. Set up as a new device. Restore. And so right now I want to set it up as a new device. So before I said if I want to set it, I need to press both buttons. So what I'll do now, press both buttons, choose pin. So to move up and to change the pin that you want to use, you go down, you can see, up, down to increase the number. So let's say let me put my pin now. You double click to select what you know, to select the number that I chose. And if you want to go back, you see this X button that looks like S. This one is a bit flickering right now, but you might not see it. So if you see something like that, if you maybe made a mistake, just click on it and it goes back. So right now, so I'm done setting the pin now. Just click on both again, confirm pin. So right now we're done with the pin code. Next step, get started. Your secret of recovery phrase, so which is this one. That's why we actually need this small sheet of paper. So right now I'm just going to like write the pin code somewhere so I don't forget. So for the recovery phrase, it says write down your recovery phrase. So which is go there. The device will generate. This is only your backup to restore your account if needed. Write it down on your recovery sheet in the correct order. So right now you have to write all the phrases that comes out in the correct order as it comes out on the screen here. Please, this is your private keys, don't show it to anybody. So here I'm going to skip this step right now and actually just come back when the video is done. So yeah, I'm on the last number phrase now, which is brother. So I won't show you the private keys because this is what like anybody that has access to my private keys has access to my crypto. So this will be a secret one I will show you. So right now I'm done. Just click on both buttons at the same time again. Press left to verify your press both buttons to continue, which means verify means if I made a mistake I need to go back, which I don't want to go back right now. So I just press 2 buttons to confirm. So right now it says you confirm your recovery phase. So everything you've written down before, you need to tell Ledger back to actually make sure that you got it right. So press both buttons to continue. So I will skip this step right now. So right now what you need to do is, if you moving forward, moving backward to see your phrase. So if your phrase is there, just click on the both buttons to continue. To select, so you know how it goes. So right now I'm just going to stop the video and come back when I'm done. So right now I'm done. It says your recovery phase is set. Keep it in a secure place. If lost or stolen or forgotten, maybe that immediately lost. So it's just telling you that you should make sure you keep your private key safe and nobody should have access to it, or they will be able to have access to your crypto. Press both buttons to continue. Then after we're done with this one, we go back to the Ledger Live to confirm our recovery phase, to tell the Ledger Live that we're done. So yeah, right down, confirm, you've done this one. So just telling you the same thing that this one told you. Okay, I'm done. So it tells you what you now do and what you should do with your recovery phase and what you should not do. So yeah, device is ready. Let's take the quiz. My crypto is stored on the blockchain. If someone else gets access to my secrets, my assets become and when I connect my Ledger Nano to the Ledger Live app, my previous key is still offline. So I'm done. So that's it. Next, so it checks if my Nano is genuine.